Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. This is a week 9 check-in. So this week is a period of 2 weeks. So it's you could say it's one course content section stretched into 2 weeks. And during this time, you're going to work and finish your APA paper and presentation. And the due date for that is July 9th. So you have all this week and all next week to both prep and submit your APA paper and presentation. So I'm going to give you a few tips here to make sure you do that correctly. Go into week 9, you're going to see this information. Of course, the grading rubric, and you can look over that to determine how I'm going to grade your paper. And then the APA paper and presentation section, which of course has another area of, how you need to submit it. So it has an overview of that. But if you click on this site, you pop up with a link, and this is where you submit the paper. Remember, when you're submitting the paper, also submit your presentation at the same time. So when you browse local files, make sure you attach both the presentation and the paper, because you're not going to be able to submit something twice. So attach both at the same time. It has to be in a Word document because it has to be in APA format, so don't feel like you're going to be able to write a submission either. If you run into any trouble with that, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help you. If you remember, weeks 4 and 5 course content has a lot of APA information in there. Be sure to reference that before completing your paper. And again, I'm happy to look over your paper for formatting issues. I can't do it specifically, of course, for your writing, but for formatting issues, I can look at it. Feel free to email it to me. However, don't email me 2 to 3 days before it's due and expect a turnaround time to make sure your paper is ready to go. It needs to be at least 5 days. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm giving you an extended period, of course, to finish your paper and presentation. Make sure you submit it on time. I can't take any late papers. And if you have any issues that you run into, as I mentioned earlier, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much. Talk soon.